Hello and good morning to all. Today we are discuss about the remaining part, that is the preparation of carboxylic acids. The next method to prepare carboxylic acid from esters, that is the preparation of carboxylic acid from esters. How the carboxylic acids are formed from esters. There is two methods. Number one is, that is acid hydrolysis of ester. Acid hydrolysis of ester. Esters on hydrolysis with dilute acids as like that HCl or H2SO4 give the corresponding carboxylic acids. See here, there is a general reaction. Esters, it is generally represented as like that, that is RCOOR. RCOOR, it is the representation of esters. On hydrolysis in presence of dilute H2SO4 we get a carboxylic acid with an alcohol. How it is formed? By the replacement of that alkyl group by one hydrogen atom of the H2O we get RCOOH, and that alkyl group combined with the remaining OH group we get an alcohol. See here, there is one example, methyl ethanoate, that is the name of that ester, CH3COOH, CH3 methyl ethanoate. It is methyl, that one group is ethanoate. On hydrolysis in presence of H2SO4 we get acetic acid, CH3COOH plus a byproduct, that is methyl alcohol. And the second method, that is alkaline hydrolysis of ester. The first method is acid hydrolysis and the second method is alkaline hydrolysis of ester. Hydrolysis using NaOH, that is alkali, dilute KOH from soluble sodium or potassium salt of acids. Soluble sodium or potassium salts of acids on acidification with concentrated HCl, free acid is formed. How it is formed? See here, there is one example. It is two-step reaction. In a first step, the methyl propanoate, that is the ester on alkaline hydrolysis with NaOH, we get sodium propionate by the replacement of that CH3 group by a sodium metal, and that CH3 group is combined with that hydroxyl group, we get a alcohol. We get an intermediate product, that is sodium propanoate. That sodium propanoate on acid hydrolysis, see here, in presence of HCl on acid hydrolysis, there is the replacement of that sodium atom by one hydrogen of that H2O, and we get C2H5COOH. That sodium atom combined with that OH, remaining OH atom, we get NaOH, as like that. The next method to prepare a carboxylic acid from benzene, that is the aromatic carboxylic acids. See here, aromatic carboxylic acids can be prepared by oxidation of alkyl benzene with alkaline or acidic KMnO4. The entire alkyl chain is oxidized to a carboxyl group. See here, there is a benzene ring directly attached with CH3. It is the name of that compound is toluene. When toluene on oxidation with KMnO4 and KOH, we get a intermediate product, that is potassium benzoate. That potassium benzoate on acid hydrolysis we get a direct product, that is benzoic acid. We get a carboxylic functional group, that is COOH. The next method, from alkenes. By oxidation of alkenes by KMnO4 in dilute H2SO4. How it is formed? Carboxylic acid is formed from alkenes by oxidation of alkenes by KMnO4 in H2SO4. See here, phenylethene C6H5 CH double bond CH2. Phenylethene in presence or on oxidation with KMnO4 and dilute H2SO4 we get a benzoic acid, that is C6H5COOH. And the last method, that is from Grignard reagent. You are already known about Grignard reagent. It is represented as RMGX. Grignard reagent, in dry ether solvent is added to solid carbon dioxide. That solid carbon dioxide is also known as dry ice. It is also known as dry ice, to give a complex which on acid hydrolysis gives corresponding carboxylic acids. See here, there is general reaction. RMGX plus dry ice, that is CO2 carbon dioxide, in presence of dry ether we get RCOOMGX, that is direct addition of that group in the Grignard reagent. How it is formed? That is RCOOMGX. There is the addition of total reactants into each other, we get a complex compound that on acid hydrolysis in presence of HCl we get COOH and MgXOH. How it is formed? There is two part of that complex. That RCOO is, that oxygen is combined with one hydrogen atom of that H2O and we get RCOOH. The remaining part MgXOH is combined to each other, we get MgXOH. Write down one example of that general reaction to prepare a carboxylic acid from Grignard reagent. For your practice you can write one example. Okay, thank you. The remaining part will be continue in next video.